In this video, you are going to see how to insert dashes or dotted arrow in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape, hold down the Control key and drag it over here like this. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, and from here you can change the color. You can increase or decrease the white from here very easily. If you want to change the dash type, you can choose from here. You can make it the cap type to round, and you can give the end arrow type like this. If you want to add the begin arrow type, you can choose from here very easily, and if you want, you can use from here. Now if you want to change the another dashes, choose from here, and you can press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it like this, and change the color, change the arrow type, and you can change the dash type very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.